This video is a continuation of the Easily Make These Interiors Enterable in Main World. I am working in meters as scene units. Select everything and the exterior and its doors. Isolate the objects with Alt-Q. Notice the frame rate jumps up drastically. Delete the interior doors. Add an edit poly and remove the interior entry box. Snap the interior entry to the two doors. Add edit poly and delete the exterior entry box. Export the exterior DFF. Export the interior DFF. Select everything and export to IPL. In the IPL, change the door to gen_door NT01 and to ID 1491. The incorrect IDs will be fixed automatically later in this video. Copy and move the door to 000 and clear out the rotations. Create a box around the door and name it door_Cole and two spheres that intersects the right side of the door, which is the side that the player needs to hit for the door to open. I made them 0.42 in radius. Export collision. Export DFF. The door is meant to replace ID 1491. Set up the TXD by creating a copy of ext_doors2.txd from GTA3.img and deleting the unused textures. In Scene Explorer, click Layers. Select and isolate VGNABAT build_Cole, as well as duplicating the DFF and moving it to the collision for reference. Set the collision layer as active layer. Remove the primitive boxes as they clip through the interior. Start creating basic boxes to shape out the collision for the exterior. Export exterior collision along with its primitive boxes. End isolate. Set Abattoir 01 col as active layer and isolate its contents. Add edit poly and remove isolated vertices. Remove the interior entry box. Remove the box that blocks the other door. Clone and align the other box and snap to the other side of the door frame. Export interior collision along with its primitive boxes. Convert the IPL map to Lua map so that it can be loaded on MTA. Add the following code to the Lua script to remove original object and its LOD from map.